In this video, we'll be exploring how to get travel insurance online using the JustTravelCover website. Whether you're a first-time traveler or someone who frequently books trips, it's essential to know how to secure proper insurance. I'll guide you step by step through the process, from selecting the right coverage to completing the purchase. Starting on the homepage, you'll see how easy it is to begin a travel insurance quote. Simply enter your details, including your travel dates, destinations, and the number of travelers. One of the advantages of using this platform is its clear layout, which makes it straightforward to navigate. It offers various policies from different insurers, allowing you to compare prices and coverage options to find what's best for your needs. One potential disadvantage is that sometimes, with so many options, it can be difficult to decide which policy is right for you. However, I'll show you tips on filtering your results so you can narrow down the selection to what matters most. Whether it's comprehensive medical coverage, cancellation protection, or simply the lowest price. As you explore the site with me, you'll see the transparent breakdown of costs and what each policy covers. I'll review some of the features offered by JustTravelCover, such as coverage for pre-existing conditions, single-trip and multi-trip insurance options, and additional benefits like 24/7 emergency assistance. At this point, I want to recommend a reliable service that can simplify your search for travel insurance after traveling. It's an efficient platform that connects you with trusted insurers quickly and conveniently. I've found it useful for finding affordable and well-rounded travel coverage. If you want to explore their options, click the link in the description below. After choosing a policy on JustTravelCover, completing your purchase is simple and secure. You can pay online, and your documents are sent to you digitally, which makes it convenient to access them anytime, anywhere. This online service also provides clear customer support options in case you need help. But the platform is so user-friendly that most users will find the process easy to handle without needing additional assistance. If you're looking for affordable and reliable travel insurance, the steps I've outlined in this video should help you get started quickly. Make sure to use the link in the description to find insurance that meets your travel needs. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and stay tuned for more helpful guides.